What federal government did to Nnamdi Kanu after he shouted at judge in court, says the lawyer. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got to your ears this morning. As our headline for this morning says that what the federal government did to Nnamdi Kanu after he shouted at judge in court, says the lawyer. Well, we have it that Mr. Aloy Ijmako, who is the legal representative and special counsel of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has revealed what the federal government did to him after he shouted at Justice Binta Nwanko, the judge appointed to preside over his case at the High Court in Abuja. According to him, Kanu is now in absolute solidarity confinement. That means no one, including his legal representative, can have access to him anymore. The lawyer, who was highly embarrassed when the IPB leader ordered him to keep quiet and allow him to speak in his recent trial in court, lamented that he doesn't know when next he would see his client. It was learned that the IPB leader's lawyer made the lamentation in the late hours of Friday when an attempt by his legal team to visit him was allegedly prevented by some DSS operatives. This is said to be coming barely 24 hours after Kanu shouted at Justice Binta Nwanko, asking her to rescue herself from his case. He alleged that the judge has been deceitful all this while, even though she knows the truth. Kanu's team, in a statement which is on behalf of the entire legal team, pointed an accusing ginger against the secret police. They said that DSS has been violating subsisting court orders concerning the IPOB leader. As Kanu's legal team was blocked from accessing him at the detention facility, it appears that the secret police had cancelled all future visitation to him as retaliation for chasing away Justice Binta on his case, causing her an embarrassment. They said that the DSS is acting on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria by unlawfully putting the IPB leader in an absolute solidarity confinement. I don't know when next, if ever, it may be possible to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again, Ejimako added. Well, that was all he said for you guys concerning this headline today this morning. We says here that see what the federal government did to Nnamdi Kanu after he shouted at judge in the court, says the lawyer. Well, you had it for me this morning, and if you're not a subscriber, the best you can actually do right here and right now is to tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a like on this video to get more updates concerning this in the nearest future to come. Oh my god, Abuja High Court will not rest. Well, recently, we all know the recently adjourned court case that Nnamdi Kanu had with the federal government, with Justice Binta Nwanko, and in the court like process, when Justice Binta was speaking, Kanu, out of anger, he stood up from his seat, he started shouting at Justice Binta Nwanko, even when his lawyer, as Aloy Ejimako, told him you should calm down, you should sit down, don't worry, we'll handle this. Nnamdi Kanu told him shut up, because this is a sign of anger. Like, Nnamdi Kanu is really, really angry. Yes, Justice Binta is handpicking the constitution of Nigeria. She knows what she's doing. Like, she knows the truth and she does not want to say the truth concerning Nnamdi Kanu's case. Yes, she has the power to free him within how many seconds. She knows the truth, but she doesn't want to free him at all. I will not blame her. She's taking orders from the federal government, like what Aloy Ejimako said. Yes, she's under the federal government. She's taking orders that have paid her. She's doing her job for the federal government. So as the DSS. And the federal government wants to punish Nnamdi Kanu for removing Justice Binta Nwanko as the chief judge of the case. They want to punish him, and the punishment they gave him was infinite solidarity confinement, meaning that nobody, family members, nobody will even see him at all. And this is going against the court judgment that they had some months ago. Yes, like of recently when the lawyers went to go and meet Aloy Ejimako, Nnamdi Kanu, DSS stopped them, say, nobody you can meet him. The federal government have said nobody should speak with him, nobody should come near him. He's on fully lockdown mode. Phew. Yes. Even to discuss about our next court hearing, nope, you can't do that. And Aloji Mako is lamenting. He knows what is now happening. You cannot just lock up somebody, like just lock somebody behind bars. Like that act alone can destroy somebody's mental health. It can make somebody run mad. It can make somebody ball up in anger and say things that he does not want to say. That's what made Nnamdi Kanu frustrated and stood up and blasted Justice Binta Nwankwo, because this woman, God said, she's so corrupt. She's so corrupt. When you know the truth, I don't want to say it. Believe me, that truth, that is to say, that truth will haunt you. You know the truth. You can set a man free. You have the power to set a man, an innocent man free, but no, you are not doing it just because of how much the millions that the federal government are giving you. Ah, human beings are wicked. Nigerians, you are so corrupt. Nigerians are so corrupt. The judiciary of Nigeria is corrupt. The DSS is corrupt. The federal government is so corrupt. Believe me, winning a case filed in Nigeria, a case in Nigeria is for the rich. Not only the rich, they win courts in this country. Where you guys get, you have the money to spend, because this federal government, no, corrupt set of human beings. Aloji Mako is now sad because he says that he does not know when he will see Nnamdi Kanu again. Even they say they adjourn the case till October 31st and October 21st. Even if they meet, what would they know how to plan? What would they know how to say? That it's making releasing of the Kanu very difficult for the lawyers themselves. This is wickedness. What do you guys think? Drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button as we go on with the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.